So here's the million-dollar question. How do you spot the next 100x altcoin before it explodes? It's honestly the dream of every crypto enthusiast, right? Finding that one altcoin that skyrockets, turning a modest investment into a fortune. But with thousands of altcoins out there, how do you really sift through all the noise and identify the true gems before they go mainstream? This analysis dives into some strategies and indicators that might just give you an edge in the exhilarating, high-stakes world of altcoin hunting. Let's be honest, missing out on Bitcoin or Ethereum early on stings. It's a feeling that lingers, especially when you see headlines about ordinary people who took a chance and changed their lives forever. The regret can be tough to shake, and it's easy to replay those moments when you could have acted, but didn't. We've all heard the stories. A few bucks turned into millions, and most of us watched from the sidelines paralyzed by doubt or fear. Maybe you remember a friend or coworker who tried to convince you, but it just sounded too risky, too uncertain. The fear of losing money was stronger than the hope of making it. Hindsight makes it look easy, but the truth is, we lacked a clear, actionable strategy. Back then the information was scattered, and the risks seemed overwhelming. It's only now, looking back, that the path seems obvious. But in the moment, it was anything but clear. FOMO pushes us to chase every new coin, but that's not investing, it's gambling. The urge to jump in at the last minute, hoping to catch the next big thing, often leads to poor decisions and sleepless nights. It's a cycle that repeats, leaving us feeling even more frustrated. The market is built to exploit that desperation, leaving most with regrets. Every spike and crash is amplified by hype and fear, and it's easy to get swept up in the chaos. The truth is, most people lose money chasing quick wins, while only a few come out ahead. So how do we break the cycle? By learning from the past and building a smarter approach. It's about developing a plan, sticking to it, and not letting emotions dictate our moves. We need to focus on research, patience, and discipline. Qualities that separate successful investors from the rest. The next wave of crypto giants is coming, and this time, we're not just watching. We're preparing ourselves to recognize the signs, to act with confidence, and to avoid the mistakes of the past. The future belongs to those who are ready. We're going to learn how to spot the opportunity before it explodes. By understanding the patterns, doing our homework, and staying ahead of the curve, we can finally be the ones who seize the moment, rather than just remembering the missed millions. Finding a 100x crypto is like finding a needle in a haystack. There are over 20,000 coins out there. The market is a maze of hype, influencers, and technical jargon designed to confuse and mislead. Most projects are all smoke, no substance, and the real gems are buried deep. The technology is complex and white papers are often unreadable for most. That's why most people either give up or gamble on meme coins, hoping for luck. But luck isn't a strategy. To win, you need a system that cuts through the noise and focuses on real value. Let's talk about how to build that filter. Here's what most miss: the biggest gains come from projects solving real problems, not meme coins. Ethereum changed the game with smart contracts. Chainlink connected blockchains to real-world data. Utility drives lasting growth. The best time to invest isn't during hype. It's during the quiet, when builders are working and the crowd is gone. That's when the next giants are born. And don't forget that real people with real track records matter more than flashy ideas. Public experienced founders are a green flag. Anonymous teams are a red one. The market rewards utility, timing, and strong teams. Stop chasing pumps. Start looking for tomorrow's essentials. That's how you get ahead of the crowd. In crypto, hype is everywhere. But to find real 100x projects, you need a system that cuts through the noise. My value-first strategy does just that, helping you spot projects with true substance, not just speculation. Step 1. Find projects solving real problems. If their mission isn't clear, move on. Step 2. Check the team. Look for public, experienced founders, not anonymous avatars. Step 3. Analyze tokenomics. The token must have real utility and fair distribution. Step 4. Look for an active community and real development, not just hype. Dive into their Discord, Telegram, and GitHub. Real activity means real potential. Most projects won't pass. That's good. You're filtering out the noise. Only the strongest survive. That's how you find real opportunities in crypto. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and always put value first. Most people chase hype. They buy when coins are trending, hoping to flip for a quick profit. But by then, the big gains are gone. The value-first strategy flips the script. You buy based on research, not FOMO. You're early, not late. It's like buying a fixer-upper in a rising neighborhood, not a mansion at the market peak. When you know the value, you don't panic on dips, you see opportunity. This approach keeps you sane and focused on long-term gains. It's not about luck, it's about conviction. That's how you hold through the noise and capture the real upside. Value beats hype, every time. The market moves fast and opportunities don't wait. Every moment on the sidelines is a chance missed. Knowledge is useless without action. The real change happens when you step up and get involved. Use the value-first playbook. Problem, team, tokenomics, community. Break down each project. What problem does it solve? Who's behind it? How are tokens structured? Is there a real community? Start small. Pick a sector, find 5 projects, and run them through the filter. Most will fail, and that's your system working. The groundwork you lay now will pay off when the market heats up again. Don't wait. Your journey begins now.